Take everything out of the box. Please check that you have all the things shown here in the video. Install and adjust the handlebar and tighten the 4 screws by the orders shown on the video with the M4 Allen key. Grab the M6 Allen key to remove the through axle, as it will be necessary for installing the front wheel. Take off the brake caliper spacer from the brake caliper. Install the front wheel. Align the brake rotor with the brake caliper, then secure the through axle using the M6 Allen key. Grab the M5 Allen key to loosen and then tighten the front brake screws. Use an M4 Allen key and a wrench to remove the bolt and nut from the fork crown. Then pre-install the front fender onto the fork. Swap out the 2 bolts on the front fork legs with supporting rods using the M4 Allen key. Adjust the fender to ensure it is centered over the wheel with proper clearance. Then use an M4 Allen key and a wrench to tighten the bolt onto the fork crown. Use the M4 Allen key along with a mounting screw to install the front light onto the handlebar. Use the M3 Allen key to remove the display screws. Attach the display to the handlebar, reattach the screws to secure it, and adjust the angle to your preference. Connect the cables from the light and display to the bike via the same tips. Wrap the cables with a protective cover provided in the toolkit box. Use the M6 Allen key and wrench to install the pedals. The left pedal needs to be tightened counterclockwise. The right pedal needs to be tightened clockwise. Check the tires before your rides. Inflate or deflate the tires to the appropriate SI rating before you ride. To remove your battery, unlock with the provided key. Long press the button on the battery for 8 seconds to activate the battery. You can charge the battery on or off the bike. When charging, indicator lights indicates the charging status. Press this button to see the remaining battery. Use the bag under the rear rack to carry a spare battery or your tools. Use an M6 Allen key to adjust stem. Once it's at the desired height, tighten the screws. Once adjusted, ensure the handlebar is aligned with the front wheel, then tighten with the M6 Allen key. Now you are ready to ride. Please be safe and enjoy.